In Olympia, Washington, Attorney General Bob Ferguson testifying before the legislature in support of a ban on magazines that can hold more than 10 rounds. It's not the first time that the Attorney General has called for this, called for it last session as well. But the Attorney General is hopeful that they've got the numbers in the legislature. You can see they had the gun control activists up there watching the proceedings, and here is what the Attorney General had to say.
High-capacity magazines do make shootings more deadly for obvious reasons. As was pointed out, those high-capacity magazines you do not need to stop to reload. They were used in Newtown, Orlando, Las Vegas, Aurora, Parkland. Parkland shooting only came to an end when the shooter had to stop to reload.
So, according to the Attorney General, if we ban magazines over 10 rounds, which are in common use, there are tens of millions of them around the country, somehow that means that people who would use those magazines and firearms and any other accoutrements to commit violent crimes against other human beings, that they're going to suddenly stop because those magazines will have been banned. Here's the thing. We can look at what's happened around the country. New Jersey right now has a ban on magazines over 10 rounds. You were not allowed to possess those magazines after that ban went into effect. And according to the New Jersey State Police, nobody's really turned in their magazines. California, you've actually got a similar magazine ban that is on hold because a federal judge ruled that the state of California, at least up to now, is unlikely to prevail on the merits of the case that's been presented so far. State of California wants to ban magazines over 10 rounds. Federal judge says, I don't think you're likely to win this case, so we're not going to allow this law to go into effect. But Bob Ferguson, the Attorney General of Washington State, he doesn't want to wait to see how this plays out in the courts. He wants to go full speed ahead with a law that is going to be aimed and impacting law-abiding, legal gun owners like you.